busy here in this house, man. Look what the hell we doing at the BOTAJELL house, kid. We got Carlos over here helping out. Yo, face this camera to me, bro. Look at me, bro. Carlos is not even sweating, bro. Look at me. Look at me. Damn, kid.
I don't know how you sweat so much.
Sweat, bro. I had it. This is the hole I had to dig out. All right, and then I hit clay. I hate clay. So this is where I'm gonna put my persimmons tree, kid. Fuyu, kid. Love this shit. It's good. All right, so obviously I gotta get the best of the best, kid. From Dr. Earth, some compost. We're gonna mix it up with that. And we're gonna put that there. Look at this. Look what we got here. We got fucking work going on here. Work. All right. It rained yesterday and this morning, so it's a little muddy. But look at this. We got Ori over there going crazy, chasing all them E words out of here. And we over here sweating away, man. Working like, not like gentlemen today, but we're working like true brat heads. All right. We also have engines that's being broken in today. I got to keep an eye on them. Right now I have 2 RCs on a cool down heat cycle. So I bought 14 of these trees here, $1,000 right here you're looking at. All right. I bought them last night. I'll show you a picture of my truck. Yeah, man. Oreo's over there going crazy. So, yeah, man. So, I brought them all here yesterday. We're going to be planting them over here. And I put up a fence. Yeah, it's been kind of busy here and expensive as well. Goddamn fence was $3,500. And here we go. Right now we're having just a little union break, except for me. And we'll get back to you in a bit. We're going to be unboxing some stuff. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, down here, we in a rush. All right, we in a rush. Look at this. I'm a mess. We all disastered up. Look at this. Look at it. This is what you call burrado in Portuguese. Burrado, bro. You know what I'm saying? Messy, bro. All right, so let's unbox these here. All right, I was gonna do one at a time because I wanted to do each person separately. But and just to put it out there, look, I've been super busy. All right, I have a ton of work. I've been working like crazy. I have not been showing any videos because the videos slow me down, and there was certain things I can't show too much. But there's certain things here. I'll show a little bit. I got a nice white ass over here. You guys know I'm about that white ass. You know that. But I will show you guys what I had to do. I had to modify this, all right, in the future. I have a mess here. I know where everything is going. I'm trying to build my uprights for the rear wing for my dragster. So much going on, and at the same time, I got Carlos that's going to be drag racing Baja class as well. All right. Originally, he was just primal dragster, and was awesome. My favorite, to be honest. I rather race the primal dragster than Baja. All right, but the Baja, there's a lot more people, and there's so much. It's endless of what you can do. Okay. It doesn't matter if you have a 30.5 high revving engine, or a 27 or a 29 modified, or 32s, 34s, 36s, 40s. All right, it doesn't matter. All right, because anybody could win, and anyone could lose, and a lot of people do. All right, so anything could happen. That's the whole trick and fun of it. All right, it doesn't matter. You can be the richest guy in the world. You will not. There is a chance that you may win, and there is a big chance you may lose. The poorest guy in the world that can build a hoopty Baja can win. He can take first place. Anything could happen. You understand? It's not like racing E-words. E-words it's much easier to build a drag car. All right, first off, cheaper, and anybody could do it. And most of the time, the richest guy could win with the best batteries, custom-made batteries. Everybody knows that setup. Everybody's gonna do that setup and copy that setup. The thing about the real engine drag race, it's harder, it's funner, and you have to work at it. And it doesn't matter if you're, like I said, it doesn't matter if you're the richest guy in the world or the poorest guy in the world. Anybody can win. That's why everyone drag races real engine, gas engine, Baja setups, and Primal Dragster setups. Trust me, I can get the best batteries. You know that, bro. I can get the best shit. I can have the best Coke can motor here. All right? But gas, man, you can put a 30.5 and you can spank a guy with a 40 or a 32 or a 34. You do not know. It all depends on your setup. It doesn't, I don't care what engine you got. Whoop, shit. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what engine you got. Okay? And sometimes, most of the time, you could have the baddest engine, and guess what? You're going to have a higher risk of losing, because you're going to probably break something, or you're going to lose traction, or you're going to have to mess with your gearing, or the headers, or the exhaust, or the clutching, or the clutch springs. There's a lot going on, man, that you have to trial and error. It's hard work. You understand? You can't just get it your first time. It's trial and error. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta try it out. It's just parts galore. It's not for lazies. All right? All right. So, and trust me, it's the most fun. It's the most fun, man. That's why the majority of people do it. All right? Now, this ain't no little toy cars, man, with electric shit again. It's so different. So different. All right? I have to go forward. I'm going to stop talking about the same thing over and over. Let's unbox these special boxes. Let's start off with BigDaddy Custom RC. Super shout out, man. Hard worker right here, man. Super guy, polite guy, super friendly. He builds beautiful things. I have wheelie bars from him already in the past. And I also have other wheelie bars from other people as well that I have mentioned. And I will continue to mention. I support everyone that does the right thing for this hobby. I will support everyone. And today, I'm supporting BigDaddy Custom RC. All right? And he's got a freaking awesome name, Johnny. Any questions? All right? Anybody with a name John or Johnny is serious, right? All right? I do have a wheelie bar from him. I showed it in the past. Look at this beautiful piece of bar. This is mine. This is his signature series one. Okay? And I did not have the hardware for it, and I have it here somewhere. So we're going to open. I have a bunch of unboxings to do here, and shout outs. I got special shock towers made, custom made. I got some Nitro custom drive shafts made for the 4.0 and the 8T platform. Stay tuned for that. And I don't know what else I have. I have a bunch of stuff here we have to go over. All right, that's going to be another video. I will eventually get to it, man. I've had this for a while, and I'm sorry. I've been slowing down. It's just I have too much going on. I hope you guys can forgive me. Now, let's get to this. And now, I think this is going to be for Carlos. Now, I got Carlos into the Baja platforms. He's got a Lightning chassis. He's got a whole bunch of stuff. I will show this in the future. All right, so there we go, kid. Beautiful. All right, you guys. A lot of you guys are building your custom Baja platforms, Primal Dragster platforms. The Primal Dragster, I highly recommend you use the longer version of this, or Primal RC has a sweet one, man, with dual wheels. Beautiful. There's a part number. Or this one here. All right. It's much longer, all right, for the dragster. Now, Baja, do not use your long ones there. Get rid of that long stuff, man. Get rid of the long wheelie bars for your Baja platform, dragster, and get yourself a work of art gentleman piece like this. Look at this. Sweet, man. Heavy duty, lightweight, super lightweight. Not too happy to see you. Not that ridiculous happy to see you, but it's happy to see you, kid. You know what I'm saying? It's happy to see you. And you get the hardware for it. Beautiful hardware. Look at this, man. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. You get the hardware for it and everything. Nice. Nice. What else hardware? Oh, very nice. See? Johnny, very nice. I had asked him if he'd give me some business cards. Super shout out to BigDaddy Custom RC, man. Very nice. And there's his RC there that he drag races. And he also makes special towers, shock towers. He makes wings. All right, he's working on new front wings, so stay tuned for that. We will be getting them. All right, I will be trying them. Look at this. All right, so this is what you get, guys. All right, from BigDaddy Custom RC. All right, it's a sweet root wheel, heavy duty. All right, super lightweight, thick, very thick, very durable. Some guys, I have friends that don't even use this, the bracket, that just run the wheelie bar with 2 bolts. That's it. That's how durable this is. But please don't do that. I do not recommend that. Especially if you're coming out of the hole with a, let's just say you have a 2-speed transmission, right? You have a very short first speed. You want that punch off the line, right? Or let's just say you have a high stall spring and it's a hot day and you have slicks on, and your car has that low first gear to take off really hard. If you do not spin the tires, your car is gonna grab, hook, and go. It's gonna launch, and that's a lot of stress and tension hitting the wheelie bar. You understand? And just 2 screws holding it, all that pressure. That's crazy. You're gonna ruin something. You're gonna either snap the bolts underneath or bend something. I do not see this bending. That's how thick it is, but you never know, man. If you got some crazy ass engine on there, who knows? It could probably bend it, but just use the hardware, people. Get the hardware. It's beautiful, wonderful hardware. It has a nice kit, and just set it up, man. Just set it up. All right. So this is your support, your adjustment. All right, and this will support this. All right. So very nice. Super big shout out to Johnny once again. Any other hardware? We're good?
That's it.
All right, man. Very nice. All right. All right. Here it is. It's behind the business card that very true, man. Look at that. All right, guys. So listen, I gotta call this video quits for now. Stay tuned. I gotta get back outside. I gotta pay some of the guys that helped me out today, friends of mine. All right, my friend Gil from high school, and we just finished planting all those trees that I showed you earlier. I will continue this unboxing when I come back. All right, so stay tuned. We got to unbox a roving box, so stay tuned. All right, guys. So check it out. Hopefully, these guys can grow quickly, man. Fill up. I want to hide this fence. You know, hide that. We pulled out those. I only kept one over there. And hopefully that guy grows and spreads wide. I want to hide that other end there. And check it out. That's it. So I'm going to have to water these guys now. Everything looks good. Put some seeds. All right. That's it, man. It's busy, man. We got too much shit going on. Too much stuff. A lot of work going on. Now, this is this is my baby right here. I love this. I love persimmons. I'm a big fan. I'm going to baby this thing. All right. Hopefully this thing will produce some fruit for me to eat. I love it. This is the Fuyu persimmon tree. There it is. All right, I want to get another persimmon tree, but the one without the seeds. I forget that it was a Jaso persimmon tree. I just don't know where to put it. And one of these days, one of these years probably. And soon, man, I don't know. I got to pick a nice spot for my fig trees. I'm going to load this sucker up with fig trees, man. All right, so, but my fig trees aren't ready to be planted like that. So we'll see. I think I may have like 1 or 2, maybe 3, and we'll see. All right, the never-ending